Leo, what is wrong with you right now? My tummy hurts so badly on this side. Can you try to stand up slowly? No, I cannot stand up straight at all. Stay here. I will go get Mom now. Mom, please come quickly right now. Leo is crying on the floor in pain. Show me exactly where he is now. Leo, I am here with you now. Show me where it hurts the most. It hurts right here on this side. Maybe you ate something that was bad. Let us take you to bed slowly. I feel weak, Mom. Lie down and try to rest quietly. Maya, please bring his favorite water cup. Yes, Mom, I will get it now. I will also bring Rex to help him. Here is Rex. He is with you now. Thanks. He'll keep you safe. Rex will protect your tummy for you. I need to find his blue cup quickly.
Why are you in such a big hurry?
Leo is very sick in his room now.
Oh no. That sounds very serious. I will go see him right away. I am here now, buddy. Do not worry.
It hurts even more now than before. I brought your blue cup for you.
Point to the spot again for me.
It is still hurting right here. Does it hurt when I press here?
Oh, it hurts more when you let go.
Don't worry, Maya. Everything will be all right.
What do you think about this pain?
We need to get him to the doctor right away. We need to check his temperature now.
Do not cry, Leo. I am here. Rex is here to help you feel better. I found the thermometer right here.
Hold still for just 1 second.
Okay, I will stay very still. Oh no, his fever is very high.
This kind of pain is very serious. We cannot wait any longer now.
We must go to the hospital now.
Okay.
Maya, put your shoes on quickly. Okay, I am ready right now. I will bring Rex with us too.
I will carry you safely.
Come quickly, Maya. We need to hurry now. We're coming. It hurts so much. I cannot move at all.
We are leaving now. Everything will be okay. Everyone is buckled in safely. Hold on tight.
We are moving now, Leo. Stay strong. I'm holding your hand, Leo. We're almost there. Rex is right here with you, Leo.
Thank you, Maya.
I will take the fastest way to the hospital.
You're right. Let's go. Please let the road be clear for us.
Don't worry, Clara. I've got this under control. We are here. We made it in time.
I feel very weak.
It will be okay, Leo.
We are here now.
You are doing great. Just stay with us. My son has strong stomach pain and fever. We need help now, please.
Rex will stay here and watch the door.
Let us take a look at his tummy now. He woke up suddenly with strong pain.
Now he also has a very high fever.
Can you show me exactly where it hurts?
It hurts here. It hurts all on this side right here. You are doing so well, Leo.
Do not worry yet. We will see first.
I need to call Dr. Owen right now. Is this something very serious? We need to check his appendix quickly. What is an appendix inside the body?
It is a small part inside your tummy.
Mommy, please make the pain stop now.
It will be okay, sweetheart. I'm right here with you. The doctor is coming to help you soon.
Thank you, Mom.
Hello, I am Dr. Owen. I will help Leo.
Thank you, Doctor.
Let me check what is causing the pain. Tell me exactly when you feel pain.
Ow. It hurts a lot right there.
I strongly think this is his appendix. We need to do an ultrasound quickly.
Do not be scared, Leo. I am here.
Thank you, Maya.
Always.
It is an infected appendix, but we can fix it. Don't worry. He needs emergency surgery right now.
Surgery right now? That sounds so scary.
Everything is under control now. Leo will be fine with this treatment. It is a very safe and common surgery.
The doctor will fix your tummy, Leo.
Okay, Mom.
I do not want to sleep here alone. Don't worry, honey. We're right here with you. We won't leave you.
You're gonna be okay, Leo.
Here is your special hospital bracelet. Wow, you look like a superhero now.
You are a very strong and brave boy.
We are taking him to the treatment room now. We love you so much, Leo. Stay strong.
Please do not let them cut too much, okay?